It's Teagan time! It's Teagan time! Alright, today on Teagan time, we're going to be opening up this microwave playset. It looks so fun! Yeah! Let's open it! Okay, so this microwave playset says that it lights up and has sound. And I think that little dish in there is supposed to spin. And it comes with all this stuff. And it takes 2 AA batteries. So let's find some batteries. Very cool. Okay, comes with a pink drink. Here's the blue drink. Comes with hot dog and a croissant. Comes with a cheeseburger and some silverware. Yummy! All right, look at that. Look, guys, it's working. Whoa, it's all done. Be careful, it's gonna be hot. Is it a good drink, Teagan? Yeah. What are you drinking, a milkshake?
It's not the end there.
You're so silly. Okay, so let's see. Okay, yeah, put something in it. Put a hot dog.
Here you go, guys.
Okay, now look, and then you select the hot dog button, and then press start. Okay, so you put, there we go. Look how cool it is. It's so cool how the food spins inside. All done. Good?
Hot.
Oh, it's hot. Okay, let brother cook one. Are you cooking for Thanksgiving?
Yeah.
All right. Cook us a nice Thanksgiving dinner. Hit the turkey button, and then you hit start, and then it's spinning in there. Almost done. Wait. All right. Pull it out.
And my dinner.
Got it on the plate.
And my dinner. Open it. And then I'm cutting the cookies.
Okay.
I don't want the food.
You're putting the drink in there. What are you doing, silly? Is that good, Teagan?
Yeah! You won't get that fast!
Oh my gosh.
That's cool!
That's so cool.
Yeah! Look at Daddy, guys! It's spinning!
No.
Go!
Is it good? It's probably hot. Careful. Hey, somebody make a cheeseburger.
I'm gonna make it.
Okay, Teagan gonna make a hot chocolate.
I'm making chocolate!
You made hot chocolate! Yay! Is it good?
Yummy. I have to make my cheeseburger.
Okay, take it out of there.
And my
Can she press the button?
cheeseburger?
Press the cheeseburger.
No. No, my turn. Well, you're spinning, guys!
You're spinning.
Yeah!
Oh no! Your cheese is falling off.
That didn't work. I'm gonna do these two buttons. Thank you!
Try
I
to
don't know how to do this.
Yeah. Is it good?
Yeah. I got everything.
You got everything in it?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Okay, turn it on.
Oh no.
Let's see what happens.
It's actually working. How long is this gonna take?
I don't know. It's got a lot of food in it. It's gotta cook.
Hey, Ma! Now I can eat everything.
Is it good? Is it?
Yeah.
Wait till it's done. Oh, it's done! Ooh, strawberry milk? Yummy.